All right, everybody, here is your final core bites for your fourth grade year. You've made it to 180, and we're so proud of you and all your progress this year in fourth grade, guys. So the first one says complete the chart using the rule y equals 5x minus 10. So you just have to plug in the numbers. So y is your answer, and then the x, you fill it in to see how to get that answer. So 5x. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. 4 times 5 would be 20, minus 10 would give you 10. Okay, that's how we got that one. And then 5 times 9 would be 45. 45 minus 10 would be 35. And then 12 times 5 would be 60. Minus 10 would be 50. Okay, so all you're doing is just trying to find the missing numbers. For number 2, if 600 divided by 24 equals 25, then 600 divided by 25 would give you 24. Those are commutative properties, and you just flip them. Okay? Then for the next one, you've got to have a common denominator. Okay? So if you all want the 100s on the bottom, add a 0 here, a 0 here. So then your denominator is 0. So then add your numerators. So 80 plus 80 would give you 160, plus 8 would give you 168. So then you can actually simplify that, because 168 is more than 100, so that would be 1 whole, and then you would have 68 over 100 left, and then you could actually divide that by 4, and that would give you 1 over 1 as your whole, and then you would have 17 over 25, because if you take the number 68, divide it by 4, you get 17. So that's your answer, 117 over 25. For the next one, what is the value of x if you know that this angle is 30 degrees, this angle is 80 degrees? So what you do, you add 80 degrees plus 30 degrees, and it gives you 110 degrees for your whole angle. And then for your final question, it asks, is this a line of symmetry? And you would say yes, because if you fold that in half, it is equal on both sides. All right, guys, have a great summer, and thank you for all your hard work this year in fourth grade.